hindi na kami maglalaro ng COD M. Kasi gusto kaming ilak contract ng isang game. Gusto na nila kaming kunin. 4K. Ako, Tokyo, Father, Renzo, Eduardo. Ayan, may monthly kami. Sure, talaga. Talaga, sabi ko nga, yung isang sahod ko monthly, isang Mustang na eh. Pero, heto yung nangyari. Tinuloy ko yung LAN tournament. Mas pinili ko kayo. Mas pinili namin kayo. Yung 4K, mas pinili kayo, guys. Dahil iniisip namin yung community, men.
So there was a tournament announced in the other version of the app, and straight away I joined in. I was like, huh. And it turns out they weren't allowed to stream or watch party it themselves. They were not allowed to watch party this tournament themselves. Couldn't believe it. Absolutely could not believe it, chat. In my opinion, organizers of tournaments should be pushing people to stream and watch party their events. Not saying that you're not allowed to watch party the event if your team is playing in it. It just doesn't make any sense.
Nag-watch party si Cent Gaming sa tournament na sobrang taas ng delay. Guess what? Pagkatapos ng tournament, gumawa ng bagong rules. Bawal mag-watch party kung affiliated ka sa mga nagtuturna, kaklan ka sa mga nagtuturna, pwede kayong mabawasan ng points at ma-disqualify. Gumawa sila ng rules sa ganun. So ang nangyari, kailangan mo munang lumuhod o magpaalam sa kanila na pwede po ba kaming mag-watch party. Ayaw nyo ba na mas na-hype yung game? O naiinggit lang kayo kasi mas marami yung views ng nakiki-watch party sa mismong tournament? Ang mga ML doon, pabira. Sa ML, pag nag-watch party ka, wow, ang ganda ng ML ngayon, ganda ng bakbakan. Matutuwa pa si Monton sa'yo. Sa COD M, ibaban ka. I-disqualify ka sa turna. Merong isang laro na gusto magbayad ng parang ganyang prize pool na every month for 3 years. 1 year or 3 years. Pero ang desisyon ng boss natin, kataas-taasan, wag. Hindi natin pwede basta-basta iiwan ng COD M community kasi ang dami na nating nagawa dyan, ang dami nang naganap dyan.